how to allow photo access on Facebook. In order to do that, head over right here to your three lines. And then from in there, click on this gear icon. You can click on the search settings right here and you can search in here for permissions. So just search in here, click that. And in here, you can see this device permissions right around here. Just head over and click on it. And in here, you can see this photos and videos. So as of right now, you can see that it's not actually allowed. So you can click on this see info right here. And then click on this update settings. And then click on this open device settings. Click on permissions right here on your device settings. And then just scroll down until you can see this photos and videos. So just click on that. And click on this always allow all. Then once you have done that, you can head back right here to your Facebook in order to see if it's already been allowed. So that's how you allow photo access on Facebook. Hope we helped.